Hello!
Hello!
So today we're gonna be unboxing this huge package.
So in this package there is the new WRM Maglev and the MGC 2x2.
Yeah, and I'm super excited to open this package, which is why I brought a knife. Nice.
Sick.
This is amazing. Oh! Are you excited?
I don't care about the
You don't care what to do.
Here's the key.
Okay. First turn. No.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It doesn't sound great.
Alright, so now we both have the same trash 2x2.
Let's go. Alright, the moment you have been waiting for. Moyu WRM Maglev. Oh my god.
With the purple internal.
New cube.
Oh.
Oh, we saw the purple. Okay, first turns you're gonna get them because I'm nice. Wait, look. Wait. Oh my goodness.
What's the tensioning? I think it's 1. It's like the loosest.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very loose.
Go.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice.
Dang.
But out of the box, it feels very sandy now.
Yeah.
It needs some lube, yeah.
It's fast. It's really fast.
But I don't think there's a difference with the
Maglev. Maglev doesn't do shit. Bro.
Yeah,
I can't even like it.
I literally can't tell the difference.
Basically, it's got purple internals. That's all that matters.
We have to lube it though.
Yeah.
Because it's.
Oh, you want to lube it now?
Yeah, it doesn't feel nice.
Okay, let's lube it now. Bro, okay, I'm just gonna open it. Oh, it's hard to get out.
Jesus.
Bro!
Oh, let me do it.
Okay, you do it.
Oh my god. How can you just...
Oh, because I don't want to...
What? Wait. Let me try first.
We're incompetent people.
I guess like one drop here. You don't even have to open the cube. Oh, that's some weird move. Here.
That's mystic. Oh my god, we're not gonna be able to solve. We can't freaking pop it in. Let's go.
Just put it all over.
Yeah.
We didn't even have to open the tube to put it inside in the first place.
The shades look so good. I can't even lie.
It's so well. Oh, that's feeling very bad.
When we do a V perm.
My favorite perm.
His favorite perm is V perm. He's weird, isn't it? Damn.
Oh, just feels good.
Bro, the M moves feel really good. What? Bro,
damn.
It's really fast. Wow, it's super fast.
Oh, it turns very well.
It's actually really good. I can't even lie to you.
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw my cubes in the trash.
These are the 2 cubes that we unboxed. Yeah, that's the video. Bye!
Bye.